Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. As you can see, I'm not in the Caribbean today, not in New York, I'm in my room. I'm going to be filming a what's in my liquids bag video because I've had quite a few people messaging me wondering what I carry around with me, because as you know, I mean if you know me well, you know that I never ever check a bag in. I just take my bag, like the little one on the plane. So this is like all the liquids that I'm allowed to have with me, so I am sometimes quite restricted. Also, a lot of my colleagues always wonder how I don't take any other bags, but I don't really feel the need. Like, I've got everything in here, I've never needed anything else. If I do need it, then I just go out and sort of buy it, if you know what I mean. This is what the bag looks like. It's not too big, not too small. I actually got this from Boots in a set of 3. So this is like the middle sized one. There's one that's half the size of this, and then there's also one that's a lot bigger and it's got like a handle. I think you can get them from like Boots or Superdrug, and I think it's about like £15 or something. So yes. Also, for the ones that are wondering, so basically the reason that you've got to carry everything in like a liquids bag is for when you're going on a plane and you're going through security. So you need to make sure that all your liquids are like in one place, and they usually make you put it in like a plastic bag. That one's a bit too small for me, and to be honest, it's always been fine to take this through security for me. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I've got this cream. This is my facial cream by Kiehl's. I use this every single day to apply as a moisturizer just before I put my makeup on. So this is the Ultra Facial Cream. I got this, oh, can you see that? There you go. I got this from Sephora, and so this is a travel sized one. I think it's like 28 milliliters, and I got this for $16. Then next up I have my deodorant, and this is just like a really random one by Dove. It's small and it's a roll-on, so it would maybe last you longer than a spray one, and it's 50ml as well. Next up I have this little serum by Mavela, I believe it's called. So this is like a eyelash serum, which I also use for my eyebrows. It basically just makes it grow. Well, it claims that it's meant to make it grow. I'm still testing it out, so I'll keep you updated on how this is doing. I think I've been using this for maybe like a month and a half now, and I got this from Look Fantastic, I think, which is like a website where they have like a lot of different makeup ranges and stuff. I've never seen this in like a Superdrug or like a Boots, so maybe you could get it from somewhere else as well. I think it was about £15. Next up I have my micellar water that I use to take my makeup off. So this is the Garnier Skin Active. This is the micellar cleansing water. Oh, my ring light is not doing any wonders. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is 100ml, so this is very handy. Previous to this I had the pink one, and that was 110ml I think, or 120, and I had to get it taken away from me. I didn't realise that it was a little bit too big, but yeah, that's very annoying. Next up I have this Sephora lipstick lip gloss thing with me. Well, it's definitely matte, so it's not, oh, it's a cream lip stain, and it's in the shade 75. So this is just from like the Sephora collection. It's actually the one that I'm currently wearing. I was looking for a nude colour, but this is more of a bit of like a darker nude, I think. It's very nice though, and it smells really nice too. And I think this was about maybe $14 from Sephora. Next up I've got my foundation that I wear every single day. So this is from the brand CYO, and I got this from Boots. So I think this was about £7 or £8, and if you've seen my Get Ready With Me, then I've talked a lot about this foundation. It is very good. So this is 30ml, and I use the shade 109. Next up I have my little Moroccan oil with me that I carry with me as well. I use this after I have washed my hair and just before I'm about to blow dry my hair. So this is, I believe this is like 25ml. It smells amazing. So I got this from Sephora as well, and I think it was maybe like $12 or $14. So yes, I love this product so much. Next up I have like my other moisturizer that I use in the evening before I go to sleep. So this is the Vichy 89. So this is meant to be really good for your skin. It's almost like a facial when you put this on. It really tightens your skin, and it's really good. This is 30ml as well, and I think this was a bit more pricey. I think it was maybe like 28 £8 or something from a website, Look Fantastic or Feel Unique, one of those websites, you know, that I mentioned, where you could buy those different brands. So yes, I use this just before I go to sleep. I don't use this every day, but I use it maybe like 3 or 2 times a week. Next up, I've got a concealer in here that I don't really use that often. So this is the Lasting Collection and it's in the shade 3 Medium Warm. I mean, to be honest, this is the sort of foundation that sort of matches my skin colour. So let's say that we're in Miami and we're going for breakfast and it's really hot and I don't want to be putting loads of makeup on, then this is what I use. So I would just usually moisturise my face and then put this over like the redness. So yeah, I do really like this, but I haven't used this in a long time, but I just keep it in there just for like when I don't really want to put a whole face of makeup on. Next up, I've got my actual concealer that I use every single day, so I use this today as well. This is the Pro Conceal by LA Girl and I'm in the shade Porcelain. Porcelain, is that how you pronounce it? I think that's the lightest shade that they do, although I'm not sure. So again, I got this from the Look Fantastic website, I think, I'm not sure. Just Google it and you'll be able to find it. So I think I got this for about £5.50 and this is honestly the best concealer I have ever used. Next up, I have got my, this is so silly, this is my Touch of Silver purple shampoo that I carry with me because of my blonde hair. Sometimes when I don't use purple shampoo, it just goes yellow. I've used it this morning, so my hair's more of like an ashy colour. So this is the travel size one as well. I got it in the 50ml, the tiny little bottle, and I got this from Boots. I think it was maybe like £2 or £3. You could get these travel size items. They have the conditioner as well, and they've got lots of other shampoos and stuff from the travel section in Boots. So yeah. Also, I don't use that shampoo every single time that I wash my hair. I think I probably use it maybe once or twice a week. Then next up, I just have my toothpaste, and honestly this is just a really random one. I usually do use the one by Crest, but I ran out because I've not been to the US for a little while. So this is just a random one from Colgate that I picked up from Boots. Again, it's 25ml and it's perfect because it's travel sized. Next up, I have my Kiehl's Lip Balm with me. So this is what it looks like. It's in the shade, I mean not in the shade, it's in the flavour Cranberry, and I got this from Sephora, I think. Not sure, I think this was about $16. This is 15ml, it's travel sized. Of course, it's very easy to just put into your handbag, and it is so good. I mean, it does wonders for my dry lips. So you know, for work I need to constantly be wearing red lipstick and it does really dry my lips out, but this is really good. One of my favourite things in my little bag that I carry with me is my Marc Jacobs perfume. It's like the green handbag one. I've got that one as well, just over there, but you can't see it. So this is the travel size version. I think, this is 10ml and I got this from Sephora. I have to be honest, this was actually quite pricey for the small amount that there is in it. So this was, I think, like $28, maybe $32 for 10ml, and it is roll-on, so it's really good. It smells so nice. Then I also have this face mask in my little toiletries bag. I've only just recently put this in there because I've had a few trips recently where I haven't been able to do as much. So I thought when I'm bored I could just sort of have a little me time and have a face mask. So this is the Skin Goals Revitalizing Sheet Mask with Grapefruit by Bath & Body Works. I think this was $5 and I've never actually tried this one out before. Okay, so the last few bits, I have a tweezer in there. I don't know where this is from, so it's just a normal tweezer for doing my eyebrows and for putting my eyelashes on. Then I also have this little tester. It's a little perfume. It's by Chloe. I mean, it's not my favourite perfume, but I do actually like it. So you can see I've used quite a bit of it. So it's just really convenient to put into your handbag or your pocket for when you're going out on a night out or something. Then I also have my eyelash glue. So this is by House of Lashes and I got this from Sephora. It's actually a really good one because it goes sort of like see-through once it's on your eyelashes, so it doesn't leave that annoying white mark, and it's really easy to apply with this as well. I think this was maybe $18 or something from Sephora, and again this is travel size. It's super small, it's only 4ml, so very convenient. Then I also just have a razor with me. So I believe, I don't know whether the same rule sort of applies to passengers as well as crew, but as far as I'm aware, as long as the blade doesn't come off and it's like attached to the razor, then you can have it in your bag. But yeah, that doesn't even really have to be my liquids bag, but I just put it in there because it's a bit of an awkward thing to put anywhere else. Then I also just have a few random cotton pads for when I use my micellar water to take my makeup off. Last but not least, I just have a load of like hair pins in here, like bobby pins and little hairpins and hair ties. But yeah, so that's everything that I carry in this bag. Other than this, I don't really carry anything like beauty related, other than obviously my makeup bag, my hairbrush and my makeup wipes. I can imagine a few of you must be like, why do you not carry any shampoo with you, or like any like shower gel or anything? And to be honest, I don't have any more space to put any more things in my liquids bag, and also we always have stuff like that at the hotel. So if I need like shower gel or shampoo, there's always going to be some at the hotel, and I know it's not the most amazing quality, but I just try to make sure that I don't really wash my hair down route unless I'm in like the Caribbean and it got wet or something. So I usually just wash my hair like the day before I leave. So let's say that I leave on Monday, I'll wash my hair Sunday evening, then I'll be home Wednesday morning, and then I can just wash my hair then. Sometimes if it doesn't look good enough, I will wash it in the hotel and just use the shampoo that's there, because I'm not really that fussy. But yeah, because I've still got my oil to make sure that my hair stays like nice and shiny and not like unbearable. So yeah, that's basically why. I hope the lighting hasn't been too bad. I'm sorry if it has been. I am filming in my room and the window is like over there and it's just a bit awkward. But yes, so I've not been flying for 2 weeks and I'm off for another week. And I don't know whether I've enjoyed having so much time off at home. It's a bit weird having like 3 weeks off at once, because I'd much rather have it sort of separate during the year so I could have some, you know, time off every now and again. For you guys asking, my jacket is a really cute orangey colour. So I actually wore this in my Dubai vlog. If you haven't seen that, then go over and check that out. This jacket, little blazer thing, is from a random store in Dubai, and I know that really doesn't help, but I have no idea what it was called. My necklace is from Tiffany and my little top is from Primark. Also, if there's any more videos that you guys would like me to do, then please leave a comment in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.